Promenading in my cave.
Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to the Ange Endeavor. Ange here. I hope you're all doing well out there. I know I'm doing pretty good. Today, this vlog, I thought we would do the big potato reveal. Remember a number of months ago, I planted my vegetable container garden, and two of those gardens or pots that I planted were potatoes. And now that the foliage has died down, it's time to harvest. So let's see what lies beneath the surface. Who knows? Right, so here is the big container, and then we have the little container there. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm just going to dump the dirt out onto the tarp and start digging through and see what we have. So let's see what we got going here. Not really much of anything there. So let's clear these out. Is there anything there? I don't really see much here. Let's just get rid of all of this excess here. Okay. Let's see what we got going here. Nothing there. All right. Nothing there either. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Wow. Oh my goodness. That is awesome. One-handed, because I still haven't gone and purchased a tripod yet. Ooh, look at this. Wow. So that's one there. That one looks like it started to rot, so we'll toss that. That one's okay. Let's see what else we got in here. There's a little one there. That's the beauty of gardening. It's kind of like, especially doing potatoes, it's like finding little treasure. Ooh, look at this. Nice. That is beautiful. Let's see what else we got in here. Look at this. Wow. Now, from what I looked at online, when they're at this stage, the skins are really delicate, so they say, you know, you want them to dry, lay them out to dry, and wow, there sure are not a lot of potatoes in here like I thought there would be. I mean, let's see what else is in here. Ooh. Look at that. Holy moly, look at all of these. Whoa. This is awesome. Let's just bring all those out. It seems like most of them are all down at the bottom. So let's see as we dig in what we find. Nice. Look at those. Dig in there. Ooh, look at this. Super cool. I think I see one. Yeah, look at that. Nice. Wow. Those are beautiful. This is why I like doing the red ones, because they just look like little rubies. Cool. Let's see what else. Who else is in here? Got some really tiny ones here. I think this one's the smallest I've seen. Let's see what else. Nice. Okay, so I'm going to, what I think I'm going to do is dump the rest of the dirt out and see what else is in there. And I'm going to put these guys in there. All right. Not too bad. Not too bad. I've dumped the rest of the dirt out from there. Let's see what we got going here. You know what? This is really fun. Ooh, look, there's another one. All right. Let's see. So I would say, as far as the potatoes are concerned, this is my first time ever growing them in containers, and my second time growing them overall. And but I didn't get as big of a yield as I thought I would. You should have seen how big those bushes were. I mean, they were huge. I think this is it for this. I don't feel anything else, and I don't see anything else. All right, so I think that's it for that pile. So I'm going to put that dirt back into the pot, and then we'll do this one. Look at those beauties. Aren't those amazing? That's the harvest for that. Right, so that's what we yielded out of that. So I think I had put in 7 or 8, maybe 9. I can't remember. So it's not too bad. I mean, for a container potato garden, not too bad. I think that potatoes probably would get bigger and you'd have a better luck planted in the ground versus into a pot. But you know what? I'm very proud of these little guys. They're beautiful, and they're going to be mighty tasty. All right, so let's get on with the next pot. Let's see what we get. Pot number 2, here we go. I'm just going to dump it all out. See what happens. There we go. And see what we get. There was only 1 potato in here, if you can remember. I only planted 1. So if I get anything decent, I'll be happy. But if not, that's okay. It was worth the try. Ooh, look at that. So there's that. Ooh, 3. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Wow. I'm getting a better yield out of 1 potato versus 9. What does that say? Wow, look at this. Look at how nice that is. Wow. What else do we have here? Oh, wow, look at that. So these are all from 1 potato. I got almost just as much of a yield out of one potato as I did all those 9 potatoes. It's really interesting. Wow. I think that's it. Oh, nope, there's another one. Let's see. There's another one there. Nice yield. More. This one potato I planted, it was very, very robust as it was. I mean, it sprouted eyes literally like within a day after I bought it. It just wanted to grow. So it doesn't surprise me that it grew so fruitfully, you know, that it produced so much for just one potato. I think that that's it, but not too bad. Not too bad. Too bad. There is the harvest for that, for the yellow potatoes. Can't go wrong there. So there's everybody there together. So what I think I'm going to do is, from what I have read, is leave these out here to dry for a couple of hours, and then I'm going to store them in a cool, dark, very dark, dry place. And they say that if you keep them in a dark, dry, cool place, they should store for a long time. So anyways, let's check out to see, anyways, that's that. What the tomatoes are doing. Look at how many tomatoes I have on there. Those are pretty cool, huh? And then as we move over here, we can see that we got a lot more tomatoes. These are the heirlooms here. I ate one of these. I actually had 2 ripened tomatoes and they were very good. And I don't know what these will taste like, but they're coming along quite nice. Finally, this little eggplant, which hasn't grown very much, is finally getting an eggplant on it. Isn't that awesome? Forget about our corn friends. As you can see, we got a nice ear growing over there. We've got a smaller one over here, and this one's got a nice one there. And then this one that has like several, look at this one. That's nice and big. And then we got one growing here, and then another smaller one there, and I think there's another one up over here growing there. They're not too big, but you know, at least it's something. And we got a nice one growing right here. Not too bad. And then we got one right over here. Isn't that nice? Well, I hope you enjoyed harvesting those potatoes with me. Now, I was secretly hoping that there would have been a massive potato, like, you know, something that was 5 or 10 pounds. I don't even know if they come 10 pounds. That would be a big potato. But anyways, I was hoping that that would be the case, but it wasn't. And but I am very happy with what I got. And what I learned is that it doesn't matter the quantity, it's the quality of the potatoes, because I saw that that one potato that I planted seemed to produce almost as much as all of the other potatoes produce. So next time, maybe I'll just plant fewer. So we'll see what happens with that. Anyways, that's it for me right now in the Pacific Northwest. And I hope you enjoyed this vlog as much as I have. And I know we'll be seeing you again really soon. Have a fantastic rest of your day, and we shall see you later. Bye.